Welcome back to our channel. This is Monkey Business. I'm Nick, aka Dad, and this is
Addie, aka the monkey.
And today we wanted to kind of go over something we found online that we thought would make the Bronco a lot more user-friendly. There's a lot of things about the Bronco that we absolutely do love.
Yes.
But there's some things I think Ford missed out on. And this one in particular is just kind of an inconvenience sometimes.
Yeah.
So let's get on and show you what we came up with from a really cool company that might be something you'd be looking for your Bronco, just to make it a little bit more user and family friendly.
So we got these grab handles from Bartact. They are paracord, so they'll be really durable, and you can customize them so they can be like different colors. All you need for this project is a simple ratchet and a 8mm socket. So you want to find these two bolts above the front passenger door to start your project. No.
These are pretty long bolts, it sounds like, guys.
Yeah.
Addie's still going.
It's still.
Nope, still goes.
It's still really in there.
Keep spinning it.
Oh my gosh. Why are these so long? Oh my gosh.
There you go. Lefty loosey, you got it. Like I said, though, I think you can do it just by your fingers. Just spin it real quick with your fingers.
I know. You can do it either way.
I think you just need to start it, and then you can probably start on the other side. You got started? Yeah, good. Now I'd just start on the next one.
Okay.
Loosening up the next one.
It's already kind of tight. So.
Yeah, don't forget to switch it over. There you go. Not to spin with your fingers, Monk.
There you go. And remember, everybody, this
Very long
is a pretty long bolt. So it may take just a little bit to get it out there. Don't give up.
Yeah.
It'll just take some time because it does have to go through the plastic and then actually into the bar itself. So.
Yeah. And this one kind of has some rounded edges to him.
Oh.
So I'm gonna hold on to it.
Teamwork makes the dream work, right?
Yeah, very much.
Check it out.
Hey,
All right. First one's out. We've got, and it does have grommets on them, everybody. So one side you can tell is kind of an unfinished side, and one is more of a finished side of the grommet. So you probably want to make sure you get the correct side there.
That could have been bad.
Getting there?
I think so.
Okay.
It's much quicker going in.
Yeah.
Except
And there we go.
that's very tight. So yeah.
Test it here. There you go.
Yeah, that's very strong.
All right.
There. Yeah.
And now we just need to repeat that 3 more times.
Yay! More.
All right, I figured since I was sitting in the back here, I'd take over for Addie. I'm just going to take off the actual extension I have on this ratchet here just to make it a little bit easier because they're not overly large bolts, so it might just make it a little bit easier just to take this off and do it by just your fingers to get it out. If you have a drill that you can put an attachment on, that would obviously go a lot quicker.
Yeah.
I don't have one that's small enough for this size. Okay, so one thing we do need to know about is the pin on a 4-door is going to kind of get in the way of the washer they have on this here. So I don't know if Addie can actually get a picture of it, which is fine. But it is something that's kind of a little bit in the way on a 4-door. is the guide pins for the bolt.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna use my head to push up on this, so we can get this dude out.
You're a very good support.
Thank you. And once I get up far enough, it comes out. So yeah, these bolts aren't. They're not real long, but they are fine threaded. And this is the washer that was getting caught on the guide pin for a 4-door. So that'll be one issue some people may have. You need to kind of push this up. I didn't undo the front latches at all, but the middle ones I have, so I can actually get back here to get this installed. And like Addie said, they are made of paracord. Really nice construction, super comfortable, and you can get different colors. I went with the gray and the black because we have the navy gray interior in our Bronco with the antimatter blue. So the blues just don't match to me. They're very bright, so we went with the gray and the black, so it kind of matches a little bit better. And the reason we're doing these handles, guys, is you know, Ford has put in those side grab handles into the Bronco on the front driver, front passenger. You've got these on the back here, but they're kind of in an area that doesn't really help a lot. Yeah, it does help you get in. We do have the running boards, but it would be nice to have a handle that was overhead to be able to get into the vehicle. So
Yeah. Or for like off-roading or having like no doors on. That'd be
yeah.
kinda nice.
Oh yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
It's taking a little bit to get this one started here for some odd reason.
See? It takes a while.
Well, it's just not wanting to start for some odd reason. It may be because I'm up against that pin again already. Let's use my head. Yep, that's all it was that guide pin was in the way, not letting me have enough to get through here. So you may need to move the strap a little bit behind that guide pin, everyone, if you're going to be doing these on a 4-door, just because that pin is kind of in a bad spot here. And I'll get the camera from Addie here in just a second. So,
I can see you screwing it.
well, you can't see the pin though. So here, everybody, let me show you the pin I'm talking about. You can see there's my socket, and then there's the guide pin there for the top. It kind of gets in the way just a little bit, so you need to kind of move that pin up and out of the way when you're screwing these in or out. Shouldn't have any problem with the back one though. Gray side towards the inside of the car. There we go.
Put there.
Yeah, I mean, Ford's definitely left lots of places you can do customizations on these Broncos, so.
Yeah. See, it takes a while. Staring off in the distance. Or looking at those.
Watching our dogs. They're behind Daddy right now, and they like to go
Eat
after the
things.
old plants and that.
I
So,
already found Bella.
There we go.
eating
We've got 2 installed. So we'll get the other 2 done here real quick and show you a little bit more. All right, so let's show off your handiwork. What's it look like here?
something. I like it. It's really comfy.
Yeah,
It's really tight, so.
and it looks nice
Yeah.
on all 4 doors.
Yeah.
So definitely something, guys and gals. I shouldn't say just guys and gals. That I think was money worth spending. You know, especially if you have running boards, that's great. These handles that Ford provided us are nice. I mean, they show off what kind of trim level you have and whatnot. But to really be user-friendly, family-friendly, getting in and out, being shorter of stature and that, right now, we're expecting. So my wife getting in and out of this is not real thrilled with trying to get in and out of the Bronco. Being 5'3" and a half, but this should make it easier for Addie to get in and out of as well, and anybody really getting in and out. So hopefully this video's been informative, guys, and look up Bartact. We'll put a description down there in the bottom of how to get to the website.
Yeah.
Take a look at them. We are not sponsored by them. They're not sponsoring this video or anything. It's just something we came across and thought you guys might want to know about it. So appreciate you guys watching. Look up Bartact. And if you like this video, hit the bell icon and the subscribe button just so you know when we've got new videos coming out. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day.